Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to present slides using Google Slides. So the present option in Google Slides, it allows you to present your slides on a full screen like a presentation. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new slides file. Like I'm going to right click on it, then click on Google Slides, then add a name. I'm going to name it the text search for you. Just name it text search for you. So now let's just say this is basic Google apps. Now I can add the subtitle by text search for you. So now if I want to present this slide, I have to click on present. Then click on present. Now I can see this on a full screen. I can also use the pointer and then point out things like this is by text for you, this is basic Google Apps. So this is how you can present your slides in Google Slides. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to present slides using the Google Slides. So thank you for watching.